This is a 2011 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 41,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.